you want to learn coding, come check out this website, w3schools.com. This web, just come to your browser, you type w3schools. W3schools. Once you type that, it's going to bring up this website. This website enables you to learn so many languages, as you can see here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, PHP. So many coding how-tos: C, C++, CH, Bootstrap, React, MySQL, jQuery, Excel, XML. These are all programming languages that you can learn on W3 Schools. These programming languages are absolutely free to learn. Yes, they are absolutely free. Yes, you can learn how to write a code. You can also write the code and run it on W3 Schools. So it's very free. After you've gone through a particular programming language, you've completed the tutorials, W3 School goes far as giving you a certificate. They certify you on that programming language. That's so interesting. So interesting that after, so when you come to your Google, you type W3 School, this is it. This is the website. You can learn HTML, so many coding language. Don't forget, you have to start with one. Always start with one and stick to it. So you can learn JavaScript, you can write codes and run them. Alright, let's try HTML. You can learn video tutorials. You can learn by studying these codes line by line. You can run these codes. So basically, W3 School is the place for every beginner. Before you pay anybody to tutor you on coding, before you pay anybody, teach me this, teach me that, teach me how to create a web page, teach me how to create a website, always do your own research. Always come to the internet, search and learn stuff by yourself. It pays to know stuff like this. Your coding teacher is going to give you respect. Yes, if you know how to design, how to link pages, if you know how to style a page, your coding teacher is going to respect you. Like, sincerely, I'm telling you from experience. If you know this stuff on your own and you start doing, your coding teacher puts you through practically with live example, you're going to stand out as a coder. You can see it gives you from the basic part of coding HTML. It takes you from the basic to the advanced and to the pro level. Yes, so W3 Schools is the website you need to start your coding journey. You can learn so many languages. CSS, that's the styling of HTML. You can learn so many stuff from W3 Schools, from the basic to advanced, and so many stuff. You can learn back end, front end, whatever you want to learn that has to do with coding. Just come check out W3 Schools. Come check out W3 Schools for that. Thank you.